Hello food lovers, I'm Adnana and today I will show you the recipe that takes me back to my childhood every time I eat it. No bake biscuit chocolate salami. Using your hands, the first step is to break 500 grams biscuits into small pieces. In a medium saucepan, bring to a boil 200 ml milk together with 150 grams unsalted butter and stir until the butter is completely melted. The next step is to add 100 grams granulated sugar and stir until fully dissolved. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and stir until well combined. When the mixture starts to boil, remove the pan from the heat. For an extra flavor, add 1 teaspoon of White Rum Extract. Add 100 grams of Turkish Delight, cut into small cubes and stir until well combined. Let the mixture cool down for 5 minutes. Pour this mixture over the biscuit pieces. Stir well until all the biscuit pieces are coated with the cocoa mixture and let them rest for 10 minutes. Place 1 piece of plastic wrap on the working surface and add some biscuits mixture to form a sausage. Don't worry if it's not perfect. We will roll it afterwards. Roll the plastic foil once and then again until you finish it. Grab the sides and roll it until you will have a salami shape. Repeat with the remaining mixture. Place it in the fridge for at least 4 hours or better overnight. Remove the biscuit salami from the fridge. Crush some biscuits using a food processor until crumbs form. Roll the salami into the biscuits crumbs. Slice before serving. Look how is it inside. So perfect. Delicious! If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure you like this video, comment and share it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a new recipe every week. Till next time, eat healthy and enjoy food.